As the clocks move forward and as England welcomes spring, I can't be more excited for the coming months leading to summer. In this travel diary, I am going to take you to two different places in England. First, a city close to my heart as I have traveled here a few times before in the midst of the pandemic back in year 2020. And join me as I discover villages in southwest of England which I have never been before.
Good morning! This is Madge, your Ilonggo Filipino nurse, back again for another travel vlog. I just finished my 3-night shifts in a row and I'm quite tired and sleepy. It's currently 8:30 here in England, and today we are going to Bath and we're staying in Axbridge, Somerset.
2 hours later.
Take 2 for the intro because your night shift sleep-deprived nurse is now transformed into iced coffee passenger seat princess. Right, babe?
Yes, babe.
Char! See you in Bath!
Our first stop for this trip is Bath. This city has amazed me of how beautiful it is. When I first visited this city October 2020, I was alone and I can't help but to come back sooner for a pre-Christmas trip with Luke. I had so many happy memories of this place. Back then, I enjoyed how quiet it was, but now that everything's open and we're done with the lockdown, the vibe is a lot more fun. Back then, I visited the historic Roman baths, the Jane Austen Center who famously wrote Persuasion, Pride and Prejudice, and Sense and Sensibility, the Bird Bath for Christmas dinner, and Bath's oldest house, Sallyloon's famous tea house and eating museum. There was a queue to Sallyloon's this time, so we went to the famous Bath Bun. Sallyloon was my favorite, but I'm quite torn now. Both serve the best buns and refreshing hot tea. My first life advice is to travel while you're young and able, not to worry about money and just make it work. Sounds cliche, but hits right. I have been working as a night shift nurse for 6 years now here in England, and when I was younger, working nights was easy peasy. I can even go Lago and see friends without sleep after shift. So this trip today was special, because you normally see me in bed after a third night shift. What I'm trying to say is we won't be always as healthy as we are. So enjoy life, spend time with your loved ones, because in the future, your job won't remember how you covered all the shifts, but your loved ones will remember when you were there. You'll remember all the fun times, and you'll remember how each moment make you so happy. Morning!
Step 1.
Hello.
Wake up early, gonna rise to the sun. Step 2. Get some good, some food in you. Step 3. Think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4. Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
While we're enjoying the view of Cheddar here at Jacob's Ladder, let's Muni Muni life advice number 2. No matter how your life is right now, if you feel exhausted, tired, yung feeling na your goals are too far to achieve, do not get discouraged. Never think or feel that the others are ahead of you. Remember, each person has their own pacing. It doesn't mean that if it takes longer, you're not gonna get there. Whatever's discouraging you, do not listen to them and listen to your heart. This is you. Do you.
All the rocks that have fallen from up there.
One thing you do need to know about Wookey Hole, of course, is that the queues are very long and they're filled with really annoying children.
Sadly, another weekend is over. I already can't wait to see you guys again on another travel diary, and this time I will take you somewhere north of London. Thank you all for watching my videos, and for those who haven't done yet, kindly hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to me. And to my mama and papa in Iloilo, thank you both so much, and I miss you. Until next time, bye guys!